Hi, I'm Franz and this is Roblox Studio, and we will create checkpoints today for Obby game, and there will be no any scripting. We will use teams. So I will delete our checkpoint and let's go to model. I wanted to spawn the new ones. I cannot see spawn here, it happens, so I'm going to workplace, clicking on add and choosing spawn location. Okay, it will be number 1, spawn location 1, 2 more, spawn location, go to properties, name spawn location 2, enter, and the third time spawn location, name spawn location 3. Okay, move it. We have 3 spawn locations, and now I'll go to teams and create team. This is the first one, and I will rename it. It will be team 1, and I will choose its color. Team color, it was white. I will do it really red, and I will leave it's auto assignable because it will be the very first checkpoint and everything will start here. Okay, now let us connect this team with our first checkpoint. Let's go to our checkpoint, and I have to choose exactly the same color for it in our properties in teams. So I'm finding teams, and here I have to remove neutral, choose allow team changing, and team color, it has to be exactly the same, really red color. And by the way, I will color it to be visible, change the color into really red. Okay, this is the very first checkpoint. Then let's go to the second one. It's here, and let us change its color to something like really blue, and let us go to teams, remove neutral, add allow team changing, choose color really blue, and let us go to teams and create this team, which is not auto assignable because this is the second checkpoint team. And let's go to its name, it will be team 2, and the most important is we have to choose team color really blue. Okay, now let's go to the third one and do everything the same. Let it be lime green checkpoint. Let's go to team property and remove neutral, add allow team changing, change the color, and not forget to create this team 3, which is not auto assignable and which is lime green. Okay, now let us check. I'm going to toolbox. We have to have kill brick, and when my player will step on it, he has to go to our checkpoints. So the thing is, let us move a little bit closer. Okay, and now let us see. This is my player. You see it appears on the first checkpoint. We choose the red one. Now she has to step on the next checkpoint. Okay, let's run. She stepped on it, and now after reaching the brick, kill brick, oh, she died, and then she appeared on this second checkpoint, and same with the third one. She stepped on it, checkpoint, any checkpoint, it can be red, it can be blue, on which she stepped, she appears again on each checkpoint. You see? I think it's good. That's it. Thank you. Bye.